Relative atomic mass, atomic weight. Relative atomic mass, also known as atomic weight, is a measure of the average mass of an atom of an element compared to 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. It is a dimensionless quantity typically expressed in atomic mass units or grams per mole. The relative atomic mass of an element is determined by considering the isotopes of the element and their abundance in nature. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons in their nucleus, resulting in different atomic masses. Since isotopes occur in different proportions, the relative atomic mass is calculated as a weighted average of the masses of the isotopes. The formula for calculating relative atomic mass is as follows. For example, the relative atomic mass of carbon is approximately 12.01 U. This value takes into account the carbon-12 isotope, which has a mass of exactly 12 U and is the most abundant isotope of carbon, as well as the carbon-13 and carbon-14 isotopes, which have slightly higher masses and lower abundances. The relative atomic mass of an element is listed on the periodic table below the symbol of the element. It provides a useful reference for comparing the masses of atoms and calculating quantities in chemical reactions, such as molar masses and stoichiometry. To calculate the relative atomic mass, atomic weight of an element, you need to consider the masses of its isotopes and their abundances. Here's a step-by-step process to calculate the relative atomic mass. Identify the isotopes of the element. Determine the different isotopes of the element along with their respective masses. Isotopes are variants of an element that have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. Determine the abundance of each isotope. Find the relative abundance of each isotope, which represents the percentage or fraction of that isotope in a naturally occurring sample of the element. Abundance values can be obtained from various sources such as isotope distribution data or mass spectrometry measurements. Multiply the mass of each isotope by its abundance. Multiplying the mass of each isotope by its abundance value. This step accounts for the contribution of each isotope to the overall atomic mass. Sum the products from step 3. Add up the products obtained in step 3 to calculate the weighted average of the masses of the isotopes. Round the result to the appropriate decimal places. Round the calculated value to the desired number of decimal places to obtain the relative atomic mass. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass is typically expressed in atomic mass units or unified atomic mass units. Atomic mass units are a unit of mass used to describe the mass of atoms and molecules on a relative scale. The atomic mass unit is defined as 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. The mass of a carbon-12 atom is exactly 12 atomic mass units. By comparison, the masses of other atoms are expressed relative to the mass of a carbon-12 atom. For example, the atomic mass of hydrogen is approximately 1.008 U, which means that a hydrogen atom is about 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. Similarly, the atomic mass of oxygen is approximately 16 U, indicating that an oxygen atom is about 16 times heavier than a hydrogen atom. It is important to note that atomic mass is a relative measure and the values are determined by experimental measurements and calculations based on the abundances of different isotopes of an element. The atomic mass of an element takes into account the different isotopes and their relative abundances to calculate a weighted average mass.